On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.
You guys are crazy. I love you guys, man. What's going on? Alex O Crypto here. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Let's see some otters in that chat.
This is me, Arnold Schwarzenegger.
What's going on, Arnold? It's a Friday
This is me,
chat.
Arnold Schwarzenegger.
You know what that means?
Bastard.
We got Arnold in the chat. What's going on? What's going on? Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang, 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 gang. Boom, 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 When the night boom, boom, come boom, 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 and the land is gone boom, boom, and boom, boom, boom. It's only light we'll see. Boom, boom. Retro Mike Tech with the $5 super chat. Bullish on Amy with baby. Amy with baby. Are we going dog with hat? What's going on? Retro Mike Tech, thank you so much, man. God bless you, man. Thank you for being here. It's a Friday, man. It's a Friday. We got a whole bunch of people in here. We got some new people coming over. The subscribers have been off the chain. We did a little bit of a collaboration with Flopper and Groper, the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Nick Cypher. We just had a little talk, and, he put me on. We love Market Cypher here, man. Shout out to Market Cypher. Shout out to the Otter Gang, everybody out here, all the people coming through. We giving the trade setups in advance, making all that money, man. It's crazy out here. It's crazy out here. Crypto Wanderer with the 5 memberships. My God, man. God bless you, man. Zep was gifted a membership. Welcome, Zep. Welcome, iLasers. Welcome, Sight. Hansraj. East Razor. What's going on? L. Jones. Man, what's going on? Great job with FG last night. Yeah, FG blessed me, man. I love that guy. I mean, me and him, we got some connection, man. I get it, man. He's a great dude, and it's nothing but alpha with Mr. Flopper and Groper, the man. Much love to him. He's got some great strategies. I mean, we had a good discussion about life and all those good things, man. It's a wild world out there, and we've been able to help people, man, and profit and help a lot of people. So shout out to everybody who's here. Mac Mascot, what's going on? Alexandra G, Ty Malone, what's going on? Sunrise, what's going on? Retro Mike Tech, man, I'm having a bad day, so I came here for a cheer up. Don't worry, Mike, we got you, man. Even Arnold.
This is me, Arnold Schwarzenegger.
He's got your back.
Bastard.
All right? Put the cookie down.
Put that cookie down. Put that cookie down.
And we like to have fun on Fridays. It's kind of funny how, we get an influx of subscribers, and then it's a Friday stream.
Do it now. Do it now. Do it now.
Because
this is me, Arnold Schwarzenegger.
This is not normal behavior. On a Friday, it's just a little bit wild. You know what I mean? It's a little bit wild. Much love to every single one of you guys. Caffeinated Crypto. What's going on, man? Crypto Wanderer, thank you so much for supporting the channel, man. I appreciate it. Keto RXD, happy Easter to No. Happy Easter to Alex Crypto and to the missus. And to the baby otter. Oh, that's so kind of you. Thank you so much. Everyday Algonaut, what's going on? What's going on? Hope you're doing well. Jeanette, good Friday. Happy Easter to everybody here, man. God bless you guys. Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day. Everybody smash the like button if you're tokenized assets on. If you like tokenized assets on Algorand. Well, that's kind of specific, but smash that like button if you want. What's going on? Dave Digital getting his sweat on today, my man. I saw it. Okay, the man's doing mad sit-ups, man. There's abs under there somewhere, he's saying. What's going on, Walsh Jesse? What's going on, Sam? It's not a tumor. Stop whining. Just do it. It's Arnold today. It's Arnold. Put the cookie down.
Put that cookie down.
Do it now. Do it now. Do it now. Do it now.
This is me, Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Oh, man, we have fun on Fridays, man. You guys are having a wonderful Friday, man. Hope you're having a great Friday. We gave a trade setup this morning, and our target wasn't fully hit, but, man, it banged. It banged. I don't think we could have done much better. I mean, I came on, I did the TA, and we crushed it, right? We crushed it as a community. Man, you guys are legends, man. I see you guys taking these trades and crushing it. We had Kyle sharing some beautiful TA as well. We'll go over the trade setups, all that good stuff, man. Happy Easter to all you guys, man. Hope you're having a wonderful day, man. I'm so blessed to have you guys hanging out here. Alexo Crypto. Hey, Flopper and Groper coming through, man. Alexo Crypto giving the signals, man. Oh, man. Much love to you, man. We called it this morning, man, to the dollar, bro. To the dollar. Trade setup given in advance. I mean, whew, look at this. 69,890, right? We're looking for that beautiful Fibonacci bounce, okay? And it came down, it hit. We only got up to like here. However, man, you got to pay yourself, bro. You got to pay yourself if you're doing some good risk management. You know how it is, man. You know how it is. Going into the 50 minutes, just going to go over the trade setup given in advance. I mean, whew. I mean, can you smell the entry? 59.80, man. Look at this beautiful 1% move. Steal it, run away, take your profits, run away, right? I even let you know when we got up to here to put your stop loss to entry. So there's no way you could have lost money. However, if you did pay yourself, you could have made money, okay? Then we got rolled over here on Jerome Pow. Chair Pow. Retro Mike Tech with the $5 super chat. Can you look at Dave Weth? Dave told me to long it. Did he bait me? Or should I dispatch a ninja assassin to Texas? Retro Mike Tech. Is there such thing as Dave Weth? We'll have to take a look. Dave Weth. Is there such a thing? You really gotta confirm if there's a Dave Weth, man. I think you're pulling my chain. Jonathan Schaefer in the chat, man. What's going on? The mod of all mods, man. The guy holding it down. I saw you today live streaming in the Discord, man. You know what? That's the thing about this Discord, man. We give it away for free. We got people here sharing the Solana trades last night. Everybody crushed it last night on the Solana trade. Whoo! That was sick. We got Brewberry. He was always putting on a free show for you guys as well with mad trade setups as well. I mean, Schaefer coming through with the live stream today in the Discord, just coming down, throwing down some knowledge at you guys, man. It's on Uniswap. Oh, God. You guys know how to at AlexOCrypto, and then you get my attention, man. You guys are cheeky, man. You guys are cheeky. I love you. What's going on? Crypto Pollo, man. Cluck, motherfuckers. What's going on, man? Just having dinner. Filippo Fornea. How are you, Alex? I'm doing okay, man. I'm doing okay. I've been sanding drywall today, trying to get the basement apartment ready. And Arnold.
This is me, Arnold Schwarzenegger.
He's just not helping me.
Bastard. Put that cookie down now!
Oh, yeah?
Do it now.
Okay. Calm down, Arnold. CMEC has it. It's got to be real, or Dave Digital is secretly CZ Binance. Yeah. We'll have to take a look, man. Thank you for everybody here. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. We'll run through it, and we'll have to find that ticker and definitely have a look at Dave/Weth today, because Dave is pumping someone's bags. But yeah, trade setups given in advance. Also, I told you to definitely let's stop loss to entry. Look at the trade. It banged up. Okay, beautiful trade given in advance. So that's it, right? We work together. We make that money. We secure the bag. Even that Solana trade last night was really good. So we're going to go over top-down analysis on Bitcoin, all that good stuff. But before we do that, I just wanted to say, you know, guys, it's Friday. And it wouldn't be tradition if we didn't pump it up, right? So let's pump it up.
You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to.
Let's see some honors in the chat, guys. Come on, let's go.
You got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it
Alex
up.
with Pat.
You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, 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 don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't
Let's
you
go.
know? Pump it up.
It's Friday, baby. Up only. No, no's, okay? Up only. Up only. Let's go.
This is me, Arnold Schwarzenegger. This is me, Arnold Schwarzenegger.
I'm a cop, you idiot.
Let's go. Stop whining. Pump it up, okay? Let's go. Top-down analysis on Bitcoin. We're anticipating the 3-day VWAP crossover, as we know. And I keep yelling at you guys, 3-day, check the 3-day, okay? Much love to every single one of you guys, man. Thank you guys so much for being here. Let's jump into it, okay? Looking for this money flow to continue marching sideways and up. We got the VWAP coming up to the 0 line. Looking for that crossover come Sunday for that print, okay? Forecasting the future. We want to make sure that we can see the flattening out here, and we want to see that continuation green dot be printing and then shoot to the stars, okay? That's something we're anticipating on the 3-day. So we're making our basis off of that 3-day, crossing over and continuing its work upwards, okay? Going over the 2-day, green dot confirmed, coming back to the 0 line, looking for that bounce of the VWAP to continue upwards, okay? Very, very cautious here where we are seeing a trigger wave forming. So we need to be cautious here as well because we could get a correction back down and a continuation upwards after that, okay? So it's not just like up and away. We only want to see up, but however, you know, the markets don't really care what we want. We have to adjust our strategies to what they're going to give us, okay? But if you do follow our channel, we know that we do have a little bit of a secret weapon, okay? And that secret weapon is right here. Where's it gonna go today?
Way sky high.
Woohoo! Where's it gonna go?
Let's go.
Where's it gonna go today?
Way sky
Let's see the
high.
no-nos in the chat. Let's go.
Let's go.
Where's it gonna go today?
Way sky high.
Woohoo! Let's go.
Let's go.
Where's it gonna go today?
Way sky high.
Woohoo! We got the indicator that no one else does. No knows, okay? That's my grandfather, man. He's a legend, man. So we look for this continuation, flagging out a little bit of exhaustion up top here on the daily. VWAP coming down to the 0 line, looking for that crossover continuation. Look at all the sky highs in the chat. Let's go. Let's go. We love no in the chat, man. Much love to every single one of you guys. So good, man. So good. He loves it. He loves it, man. And he's happy because baseball started again. He's a big baseball guy. No knows. Okay, so the daily coming down to the 0 line. This is good because we're going into the weekend. Okay, there's not going to be that much volatility, in my opinion, because it's Good Friday, man. Like even the rich need to take the time off. Okay, so we're very aware that we could just chop sideways here, and that would give us time for these to kind of flatten out and look for that continuation come Monday. Mondays have been hella bullish, man. So we sit and we anticipate a beautiful Monday. Look at if you go back testing, like I always say, oopsie, Control Z. If you go back testing on Mondays, baby, Monday, Sunday, Monday, oh, Sunday, Monday, oh, guys, look at these Mondays, guys. Look at these Mondays. These are big, fat, girthy, orange, not green candles, okay? Look at these Mondays, okay? You want to go back here? Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. Yeah, okay, a little bit of an indecision here. Monday, give me Monday here. Look at Monday, guys. Look at the Mondays, okay? You got to go back and back test, man. No. You know, up only is the way, right? And if you look at this over a long period time frame, it is up only, okay? No matter how you look at it, okay? So we're looking for this VWAP to come down and reset, okay, for that bounce, okay? Not necessarily reset. Like I hate the oscillate. The market don't reset, okay? It's just what will happen on Market Cipher, which will give us more of an indication of continuation, right? So you're getting the red dot here, the rollover. You do have this trend line here that I'm watching, and it looks a lot cleaner on a shorter term time frame. My key level for a bounce, if we do drop down below here, is 68,000. Now that's just a very simple. If you pull your volume across here, you can see the shelf of volume which resides here. Okay, so you can see that if you come across here, there's a shelf of volume and an entry into this level just below this here. So that's where I would anticipate our first stop if we are going to correct, right? And this could just chop sideways and eventually get back to this little support line we have down here and continue to work its way up, okay? So that's something just to be aware of as we go into the weekend. Now, I know a lot of you will be spending time with your families, and if you do not have a family, man, come and hang out in our Discord. We are like family, and that's one thing I pride our community on. We say, you know, come and hang out with us, you know, as long as you're not a douchebag. I don't know a nicer way to put that. I will just kick you out if you're being an idiot, right? So for me, it's like we have a whole bunch of new people coming in, and, you know, we have a whole bunch of OGs who've been here since day one. Everything is free here. So, man, just ask questions, try to help one another. And, I mean, that collective knowledge, I make my money from trading. I don't need your money. So collective knowledge, traders helping traders, is going to help benefit us all, right? That's why people come in here and they share and we learn together and they ask questions, right? And by doing that, we can all grow together and we all learn together. And I mean, that's the secret here. The secret sauce is that I'm a trader, you're a trader, we're all traders, and if we can help each other and bring things to each other's attention that we may or may not have seen, then we can all capitalize on that edge, right? That's an edge across the whole space where, hey, look at this. Are you looking at that? Look at this coin. This is looking to pump. Hey, look at this level. Okay, and by doing that, you know, we cheat the system and we get rich together, right? So that's the thing here, right? Collective minds growing together and learning together, and that's what I'm trying to create and will continue to try and create, and I'll continue to show up for you guys so you guys can continue to show up for me. And that means when there's 87 people in here that we get the like button up. Oh, man, he's already yelling about the like button. It's Friday. Come on, Arnold. Do they have to hit it or no? Do they?
Do it now. Do it now.
This is me, Arnold Schwarzenegger.
I'm a cop, you idiot!
Conan.
Cookies? You are disgusting. Who is your daddy and what does he do?
What's going on? Good to see you, Melissa. What's going on, man? Luis Silo, what's going on? Dave Digital, Bex in the chat. Crypto Billy, let's see some CBs in the chat. Givers Game, my brother, good to see you, man. We having a lot. I'm long on BTC from 69.3. Should I TP now? 69.3. Nice entry. Sideways chop. We'll take a look at this smaller term time frames in just a second. So you can see we got a very indecisive kind of bearish divergence here coming to the downside, and you can see we have rolled over, but we haven't taken out this low. So if we do take out this low, we could be looking for that continuation back down to this trend line. But until then, we assume that this is a flag, and we look for the continuation to the upside. Okay, we would like to see a flag to the downside. That would be more appealing. However, we be patient. Let's see what the weekend gives us, and hopefully we can look for a continuation pattern to the upside. The 4-hour does look like it wants to trigger and continue its work upwards. You can see the momentum here, and the money flow is actually having quite the fight here, where you can see that you're getting this kind of weaving in and out. We want to see that continue for strength to the upside. Now, when we get into like a 2-hour here, it looks a lot different. So we can see that money is actually coming out on the 2-hour, and then we want to look for the bounce. You can also see here that you do have continuation throughout your beautiful momentum wave. So we can be looking at that as well to play out to the upside in the longer term by front running with the 2 hour. Now, looking at this, you can see that we do have this candle wick down here and this nice kind of level of support here. So for me, I'm looking for that continuation of higher highs and higher lows on Bitcoin, right? So this is what I'm looking for going into the weekend, so that I can probably look for that kind of entry where a swing failure pattern, continuation to the upside, okay? So right now you can see you're getting your double green dots, pushing to the upside, looking for that continuation, okay? Retesting this 70,000 has been critical, okay? We took the trade here. We lost the trade, took a lot of volume to get out. Let's see if we can push and get above that and continue to chop sideways throughout this weekend. If we lose this level, my first level that I am eyeing is definitely right here, right around 68,000, okay? So that's kind of where I'm at right now. Just being patient, letting price come to me. But for the short-term time frames, if you are looking to trade now and you want to get into it, you said 69.3? 69.3. Beautiful entry, man. You can see here you're coming up, touching resistance. You had a sort of double bottom here. You can go on a shorter, even shorter time frame here where you are looking for that continuation to the upside here. And that continuation up, right? So you're looking for that. You can see you are putting in higher lows, which is a good sign. But for me, I would anticipate that swing down and continuation upwards. You got to come. We may have a special guest besides Arnold Schwarzenegger coming to say hello. You were here before? You got to come here. You got to come say hello. I make space for you. You want to say hello? You have all your fans are here. Look.
I don't have any friends.
Look. So they're going to say hello in the chat here. You see the chat?
Yeah.
So all these people, right?
Yeah.
There's 90 people in the chat right now.
My God.
There's 90 people. Okay? And they can see you here. You see that's you?
Oh, yeah. Hey.
You got this hand. You got to wave. And they can see you. And look, they're saying, hey. They're saying sky high. They want to see. They want to know.
Okay.
Up or down?
Up, up, up.
Up?
Never down.
Never down.
Never down.
They're saying hello. Happy Easter.
Oh, happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Happy Good Friday.
But what is it? Today is Friday. Yeah?
Today is Friday, yeah. Are you going to watch the Blue Jays today?
Oh, of course.
Yeah? How are you feeling? Your hands warm?
Yeah, good.
Oh. They love you. Look, no. They're putting hearts and they're saying sky high.
Sky high. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Way to go, man.
They love you.
Yeah, I love them too.
He loves you guys too.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming.
You're welcome. You're always welcome.
And there you go. The man, the myth, the legend coming through. Mr. Luigi. Grazie.
Okay.
Prego. Ciao. Ciao. He comes down to get it. He likes to smoke cigars. He loves his cigars. So he's you don't he's like, I don't smoke in the house. It's Friday. So yeah. For me, great entry. You're looking at a take profit probably around 69,900. You can kind of front run it, so you kind of came up here. Coming into the weekend, I would definitely be cautious. You can pull volume across here, which also can give you a good indication of which way you're looking. Yeah, so yeah, you'd be looking at 69.9. 69.9 would be a good entry, but you can see there is a wall of volume here. So I'd be patient right now. If you pull a fib from swing high to swing low, that can also be a good indication. And you can see that the golden pocket is above here. So I would look for either a retest back down, continuation up to the golden pocket, then a rejection back down, okay? That's where I would be looking in order to take profits. But yeah, good entry, 69.3. That could ride up, but it is the conditions, right? So it is. We are going into the weekend. I would look for them to just chop sideways, small moves, but when they do move, it's going to be more aggressive. Okay, so definitely something I am keeping an eye on. But for me, I'd be patient with anything today. So guys, let's see some altcoins. Let's see some altcoins in the chat. And we'll tally those up, and we'll definitely never mind down. Exactly. No is the most technical analysis in the game. 87 years old, giving the signals. That's the way, man. Throw some alts in the chat. I'm gonna go over a couple that I was looking at the other day. We did definitely go through Injective, and Injective for me was a nice little trade. You can see over here that Injective has cooled off. We did give a new trade level, but yesterday we were able to grab a long from down here. Now that was given in advance, of course, right? Where we did give that in advance on that Injective level. It did get up to the resistance you can see here, but we did catch the bottom there as well. So that's very good to see that we caught that bottom. Now it has rolled over with the Bitcoin. And now I am eyeing up this area down here on Injective for a continuation. That's right around 36.33, where I'm looking for some sort of swing failure pattern, bullish divergence for a continuation, kind of like this. Or I'm looking for higher highs and higher lows coming up to the resistance line here. Now we do have good support at 36.9. So if we do get above there, we can look for this to hold and continue its work upwards. Okay, so Injective does look like a potential long incoming. It's just a matter of time before this downwards flag breaks out, in my opinion. So you can see we have a downward flag. Downward flags typically are more aggressive when they break out. So you can simply measure this thing. I'm not a big pattern guy. I'm market cipher, Fibonacci, support and resistance with volume. However, that's a nice move coming all the way back up to about $45 if you're measuring that move. So Injective, I am eyeing up 36.9 to hold, then the breakout of this downtrend and a continuation upwards, and we're holding support where we're at now. So we're looking for confirmations on market cipher on the shorter term time frames where we are looking for this to break out, either taking out highs or continuing its work upwards, okay? Something like that, where we look for that breakout trade, okay? I see you guys yelling algo, man. Thank you so much for sharing all these beautiful altcoins, guys. That whiff trade is getting juicy already for you. Yeah, man, that whiff trade. We took the whiff trade. We took that whiff trade. And everybody was like, you bought the top. And I'm like, oh yeah, watch whiff do its thing, man. Dog whiff hat. Sheesh. We got in down here. Oh, look at this thing, man. Ripping sky high, man. Whiff is just chilling, man. Whiff is chilling. Let me see if I can pull it up, man. Oh man. Whiff. Take a whiff of that, man. Up $514 on that whiff. Woo-wee. Looking at the whiff buy, man. Get at me, man. Get at me, man. Look at this. Woo-wee. Up $512 on dog whiff hat, man. The buy, put in $1,000 down on the whiff. Are you with me? I'm with you. Whiff going up to the moon, man. So yeah, we degen sometimes and we buy some stupid stuff, but all the signs are pointing in the right direction for the whiff. Okay, sometimes you got to take a whiff, and
Put that cookie down now.
And when they said you're buying the top, I say,
Who is your daddy and what does he do?
Let's go. So, if Nick's on it, man, he's already tallied up all the beautiful alts. Thank you, Nick Musgrave, for being here. Much love to you, my brother. Hope you're having a wonderful Friday. I know you're ahead of schedule than us, so much love to you, my brother. Hope you're having a wonderful Good Friday. Spend it with your family and all the loved ones, man. God bless you, bro. Hope you're having a wonderful day. But we're definitely going to get through these alts, hopefully get you guys some good alpha on what we're looking at, and take a look for you guys. I also saw someone put the Dixie. Was that you, Wick? You want me to look at the Dixie? So the Dixie, I got one trend line in mind on the Dixie, just so you can build confluence, right? Dixie goes down, Bitcoin goes up, inverse correlation, right? So I got this one trend line. As it's came up, it's gotten rejected. So I'm looking for a rejection again. Big sell wall here, Fibonacci golden pocket with the Dixie, looking for a rejection and continuation to the downside, okay? Right now, patience, patience, patience. We got a lot of data that came in, economic calendar, okay? We're always prepared. Make sure you guys are checking this. I will remind you guys in the morning update videos about these things coming out. Jerome Powell talked and, the market's kind of rolled over. So, these things coming in a little bit hot. Just be aware of what's going on fundamentally in the market so that we are prepared whether we go up or down. But next week we got jobs, which should be interesting. And then Jerome Powell speaking on Wednesday. Okay, so things to be prepared for next week. However, we are going into the weekend, so let's try to enjoy it together as a community. Going into Ethereum, Ethereum needs to go, man. Ethereum needs to go. Looks like it's losing a bit of its momentum here, flagging out, looking for that continuation. Now, we do have a buy zone that we have been looking at for Ethereum for that continuation to the upside, okay? Money is trying to come back into Ethereum, as you can see here, but you're getting mixed messages on the 4-hour, on the stochastics here, not really being able to make up its mind, so you want to see that continue to the upside. But right now, you can see just a very simple flag coming out. But this is a lot more bear or bull flaggish than Bitcoin. Okay, you go over to Bitcoin, it's pretty much flat compared to this. So this can probably be a leading indication to Bitcoin and the price action that we are looking for a break of this downtrend and a continuation upwards. Okay, now we do have some key levels of support and resistance on Ethereum. So for me, right now, we're eyeing up this level down here that we are getting a bounce from. But let's pull a fib. I think this is a golden pocket if we go from swing low to swing high. 786, so we're down at 786 bounce level. And then we do have key support down us at 34.27, which is going to be a key level of support. But right now, bouncing from 34.90. Okay, looking for that continuation upwards, but also looking for this downwards trend line to be broken. So if you are late to the party, you can definitely look for this continuation to the upside after breaking this down trend. Okay, so you want to typically this is looking nice, flagging out, getting a higher low, the breakout, the retest and continuation, right, at a key level of support, right, 35.40. So eyeballing that, you can see here higher high, lower low on market cipher on the 2-hour. This is a very bullish sign because it's on a 2-hour. Typically, these play out quite nicely. VWAP looking to cross over as well to the upside. My only concern is money, so you want to see money coming back in and bounce as well. But Ethereum looking like it's ready to move to the upside, and that would suggest that Bitcoin is kind of there as well. Okay, definitely wanting to look for that rotation into Ethereum. Oh, man. Crypto Billy, member for 3 months. Otter gang, man. Happy Easter, Alex. Last Easter before you're a father. Enjoy, man. Thank you so much, Billy. Love you, bro. God bless. Hashtag givers gain. My man, Crypto Billy. Billy Goat Tales, man. If you guys aren't following Billy Goat Tales, you guys are missing out, man. Go and check out Billy Goat Tales. Tuesdays, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This guy, has created a community of like-minded people bringing alpha to you guys. We're talking meme coins, guys. Set your reminders, share out, repost, all that good stuff here. It's always alpha. We talked Gala Games. We talked mining. We've talked a lot of things on Billy Goat Tales. It's definitely one of my favorite spaces on X. So, guys, thank you so much for supporting Billy Goat Tales. And Billy, I love you too, man. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, man. I'm seeing pianos. Piano Matty B. Let's go. Let's go, my man. Hope you're doing well, bro. Guys, make sure I gotta show Piano Matty B, man. It's a Friday, man. I love you, Piano Matty B. He's got the trippiest TA in the business, man. And he always has a wonderful, wonderful Friday stream, man. I love you, Piano Matty B. It's always good, man. If you aren't setting your notifications for this guy, man, you're missing out. Notify me. The biggest duel coming up. Live stream for Piano Matty B. And look, you can just jump in and hit the like button. It ain't that hard, okay? Look at this.
Years, but you're mad at us for proving that they lied. We tried to speak our truth to all the deaf, dumb, and mute, but you can't save them all. No, you can't save them all.
Just do it.
Do it now. Do it now.
Shout out to Piano Matty B. And also Dave Digital, member for 2 months. Otter Gang, PMB tonight, 7:30 EST. The Jimmy is close for us, man. Much love to you, PMB, man. Hope you're having a wonderful day, man. Is that the real Piano Matty B, dude? Yeah, let's go. Play Dr. Dre. All right. There you go. There's your Dr. Dre. I didn't even have to get demonetized for the Dr. Dre, okay? So Ethereum, you're looking for the bounce here. If you fall down below, you're looking for a little bit lower levels, and that would be around 34.23, okay? Much love to Ethereum. Hopefully Ethereum picks up his pants and runs a little bit, man, because we would like to see a big pump on Ethereum, and these real-world assets and the adoption from BlackRock is going to be massive, in my opinion, for Ethereum and all its sub-chains. So very, very positive looking for... That's a decent beatbox. I love it, man. Boom, 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 boom. Appreciate you, Piano Matty B. That's the best compliment I've had in weeks, man. I love it. Thank you so much, PMB. Much love to you. I did a lot of beatboxing as a kid. So let's go over to Gala. Oh man, Gala. I haven't looked at Gala in a while. Okay, I gotta type it in. Gala. Ooh, look at Gala. I had that massive move. I have a little bit of a resentment. If any of you who were here through the bear market, Gala wrecked a lot of people over here, okay? Gala people were trying to short it, and it just kept running, okay? I know there's tons of people who love Gala. His name may be Billy Goat Tales. Big Gala bags, man. Much love to you, Billy. Hope you're doing well. Alex, sound like you feeling better with that beatbox. Sounding tight. Thank you. Yeah, we are feeling better, man. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, I'm just a special beautiful pew. Looking for a partner, beautiful pew. So set up, pew, pew. Without even falling on, pew. Be competitive, pew. To push me to my limits, pew, pew. To throw when I'm breaking you on. I promise, I don't wanna get on, pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew. We slow it down for the old school. Ship it out by old school. Boom, 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 when the night boom, 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 on the land. Go boom, boom, and boom, boom, boom. It's only like we'll see. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, boy. I had to throw it down for you guys. It's Friday. We feeling better. Much love to all you guys, man. There you go. Play that on 2X and put that in your pipe and smoke it. Let's go. Let's go. Look at that gala here. It's Friday, and we got a special guest, as usual.
This is me, Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Bastard. Who is your daddy and what does he do?
Let's go, let's go, let's go. So Gala here is pushing up, looking for the retest back down here. Let's pull a fib here. Market cipher looks as though it wants to cross over the zero line here, looking pretty strong. Double bottom here. Anchor though, and then we want to see trigger. VWAP's coming up, looking good as well, and we want to see this continue to pump. What's going on? Randy Hipper in the chat. Much love. We don't call her Miss Teen Crypto anymore, man. She's all grown up. Randy's in the chat, man. Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful week, man. What about that Bitcoin price? What about all that crazy FUD going on in the market? Oh, my God. It's been wild, man. It's been wild, man. If you guys aren't following Miss Teen Crypto and you need to learn what is popping off, man, God bless you, Randy. She's all 16K. Let's get her to 16K. Come on. She's right there. She's right there, man. This girl shows up for you guys every day. This girl she's on NBC and shit, man. You guys got to go and pay your respects, man. Girl knows what she's talking about. Crypto educator, and that's it, right? Be your own bank. Listen to Randy. Get your Bitcoin. Smarten up. And go and subscribe to Randy Hipper. Let's try and help her up to 16,000 subscribers. God bless you, Randy. Hope you're having a wonderful day. It's Good Friday, man. It's Good Friday. Go and give. Go and give, man. Give it away, man. Go and give it away. That's the one. Okay, so looking here, you can see we've had that nice move up here. We're looking for a little bit of a retest. The same thing applies here. So you're looking at your flag to the downside here, the continuation to the upside, okay? That's where we're going to benefit the most from this. You can see the golden pocket is holding. So golden pocket 786 is where you're looking for the bounce, right? That continuation here. You can see this upwards trend has broken. So you typically want to see support being found and higher highs and higher lows being put in. Okay, you haven't seen that as of yet. You can see there is a little bit of a bullish divergence here on the 1 hour with lower lows and higher highs on market cipher. So you're looking for this green dot and continuation to the upside here where you are continuing to work towards this trend line and eventually breaking out and retesting it. So the trade is you simply look for the swing failure pattern continuation, or you look for the breakout of here and that continuation as well, okay? So for me, patience is key right now. We know we're going into the weekend. This is looking very bear flaggish, right? So this looks like a continuation down. So very cautious here. Going into the weekend, we know that volume is going to lower down and it's going to be very different, okay? So much patience is required when it comes to this, okay? Much patience, okay? Going over to, we did the Dixie. We're going to go over to Render. Now, we love Render over here. Shout out to those AI tokens, man. They're cooling off right now. They're cooling off, but you know they'll peep back up. There's all this AI FUD, Singularity, Fetch AI, Ocean Protocol, all combining into one right now. So we're aware of what's going on in the news, right? We're aware because we watch Randy and we keep our ear to the ground as we should in the crypto world. And you gotta stay tuned in every day because it switches you know what I mean? It switches so quickly. So you got to be prepared for anything. You can see this is a beautiful flag, a little bit of a head and shoulders. I wouldn't really consider it that. So what are we going to do? We're going to pull volume across this range right now and try to get some key levels of support and resistance. Look at how consolidated and tight that is. That's very, very nice to see. You can see that you do have a very, very good support level here coming in. And that would be key for Render to continue its work up. I mean, we bought, I think, $10,000 worth of Render at $4. So our bags are pretty happy. So look for this to continue and push, right? It's making all-time highs, and you have some extensions to the upside if we do get there. But right now, in a consolidation range, looking to push up. A little bit of exhaustion up here, which suggests more lower prices. However, if we go over to the 1 hour, let's see what we got here. Yeah, consolidation after a massive dump-ola. But you can see you're getting a higher high and a big bullish, hidden bullish divergence from here to here, right? So you can see that. So you look for that continuation. Like we just talked about with Gala, you want to see higher lows, lower highs. You want to see key highs taken out, and then you look for the retest and that continuation to the upside, right? You want to favor longs in this environment, right? Because the Bitcoin rips, most other things tend to follow, right? So keeping our eyes definitely on the render price and it going higher.
This is me, Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Bastard.
Do it now. Do it
Keep
now.
your eye on it, man. Keep your eye.
Dana! This is gonna make us fat. Go on.
Oh, too much fun. So render, yeah, a little bit of a triple top here. Cooling off. You want to see the support hold. Your main support's going to definitely be down here. If you do get that swing failure pattern, and you can see there is a nice little trend line here holding up this support. So let's see if it does come within this area where we're at right now and look for that more upwards trajectory to the upside in the near future. Okay, keep your eye on the prize. Now let's go over to Avalanche. Now Avalanche is not lagging behind, but I'm definitely looking for Avalanche to break out of this same thing. It looks very similar to Render, and it typically trails Solana, right? So you look at Solana, very similar. Solana did get that initial push up here where AVAX hasn't, right? AVAX has come right back down to this key level of support. Now we do have a box of support here following this AVAX trend where you can see we're waiting and anticipating the kind of breakout from this downwards trend here. So AVAX does look like it wants to pop off. However, right now I'd be patient. Like I said, I keep saying it, but I'm going to keep saying it, is that we're going into the weekend. So look for things to consolidate sideways and try to gather their supports. And then we look for that move on Sunday night / Monday. And maybe we do a Sunday evening stream where we can look for the pop off. But right now, AVAX rolling over, taking out these lows here. So you are confirming a lower low, but you are looking for that high, that big bull div here, coming in higher high, lower low, right? And you're looking for that continuation. But to find this, you got to go into like a 15-minute, and you have to wait for either swing failure pattern continuation, or you want to see this high taken out on a push up. Then you want to grab the retest, or you want to wait for price to push up, break out, retest, and you're looking for that entry here. So patience is key with anything like this. Typically wants to break down, so we want to be patient and let price come to us. Set the trap and anticipate where the price is going to go. Otter Gang, 10 more now. Holy sheesh, I appreciate you guys. Awesome, awesome. Otter Gang coming through. Get it now. Go and sub to Randy, man. Much love to you, Randy. We try our best. I mean, we're a small channel. I think we're at 2,400 or something like that. We're growing. We're growing. We keep showing up and we keep trying our best, man. And that's all we can do. Much love to you, Randy. And I hope we can help get you closer. But yeah, you're always bringing alpha and you do so much for the industry. So thank you. And God bless, man. Happy Good Friday. Happy Easter to everybody in the chat, man. You guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. Okay, let's go over to Algo for Mark Dutch. Mark Dutch, I think you're an Algo maxi, man. I don't know. You tell me. You guys think Mark Dutch is a Algo maxi? Put some clogs in the chat, man. Put some clogs in the chat. Oh, man. Put some clogs in the chat. Thank you so much, Randy. We're trying to kill it, and we're trying to help as many people as possible whilst doing it. I think we have Mark Dutch, the clog slash Algo maxi. What happened, bro? What? What happened to Algorand, bro? You were doing so well. I sound like a horrible person, man. Algorand coming back down to our buy zone, okay? Key level of support down below us here, around 26.6 cents, okay? Right around here. Dumping, rolling over, right? Rolling over. And like, am I missing something? Is Bitcoin rolling over right now? No, Bitcoin's fine. Okay, so algo, Bitcoin moves down like 0.15%, and algo's like, hold my beer. Do you know that song? Which song is that? Which song is that? Mark is a maxi. The algo song. I don't know the algo song. All I know is there's some big like algo family going on. Who's BitBoy's sidekick? What's his name? What's BitBoy's sidekick? He loves algo. AJ. He loves algo. So you can see our losing key support all the way up. Let's end the stream with Piano B's music. Okay, we could do that. We could do that. Absolutely. We can do that. Absolutely. Yeah. So, Batman and Robin, we'll call them. So algo rolling over, losing this key level of support. 2671 is our next level, right? So we can pull volume across here and take a quick look. However, you can see that this is kind of your first shelf that you are falling below right now. So your next level is going to be coming back down to 26 cents, right? And then you want to see price get back above 27, okay? Little bit of a rollover here, and you can, right now, it's very indicative that with anything like this coming down, it's typically a liquidity grab, right? You're typically coming back and grabbing the people who went long down here, and your order block is actually down here, right? Where you're actually looking to get your supply and your demand, right? Your demand down here, right? So let's see if we can push back up, hold 27.11. That would be good. We can get rid of this trend line because it has been broken, right? And you're looking to roll over back down to 26.6, right? And that's going to be your key level of support. If you zoom out on your 4 hour, you can see that there isn't a lot in your way to fall all the way back down to 25.5, okay? So hopefully we can hold this area here and continue your work upwards for Mark's sake, right? You can see here just from your volume, if you come down below this 26.6, you're going to fall down quite rapidly over to 25.6 as well. So we'll definitely be keeping our eyes on the prize and keeping that in mind. Let's go over to Ondo. Ondo, the new real world asset token. Ooh, it's going to do so well, right? Yeah, sure. Okay, narratives are great. We love a good narrative. That's why we bought Dog with Hat. And Dog with Hat has paid us tremendously. But looking for the continuation here on Ondo. Great megaphone pattern coming out here. Looking for a price to continue its work upwards here. So looking at Ondo, cooling off a little bit, anchored trigger wave, but money flow is pretty thick. We're getting a green dot here on the 4 hour, looking to push up with a VWAP crossover, looking hella nice for the short-term time frame here. Let's get into the 1 hour. Let's see what we can see. Beautiful bottoming here. So one thing that I would look for is with a nice rounding of the bottom, okay, we want to see that consolidation flag, okay? So you can see beautiful rounding here. I think they call this the pig nipples on Jason Kasper's, but you can see you're making higher highs on the way up here, right? So you look for that consolidation sideways and then that continuation up here. Okay, we have a key level of resistance that we haven't gotten above yet at 91 cents. Okay, so that's going to be crucial. And then looking at this, yeah, it's just beautiful, beautiful continuation to the upside, okay? You can draw your trend line here, track the momentum, and then look for the retest coming back down and continuing up, okay? You can isolate price and where you're looking for that bounce. Okay, very flat, so nothing burger there. Then you can go into pulling a fib from swing low to swing high, depending where you get to. And then you can look for the retest back down to the golden pocket, okay? And look for that retest and continuation. And hopefully that helps you with Ondo. But yeah, nice move. Real world asset token. very bullish narrative, in my opinion, and a lot of people are jumping on that beautiful bandwagon for Ondo. Okay, so guys, what do we got here? We got a very busy meme coin market, ICP, AI coins taking off, right? Celestia getting a good move. I was looking at Celestia earlier today, where TIA is definitely making new highs. For me, this is bottoming signal reversal. So TIA is also something I'm keeping my eye on. I did buy quite a bit of TIA on this dip, looking for this kind of beautiful Adam and Eve bottom continuation to the upside. Okay, looking good on TIA. You can look for the retest here on TIA, just a little bit of an insider look here, but it's continuing to take out highs, looking very strong. Okay, nice move on TIA today. Keep your eyes on the prize. Look at what's moving. With Bitcoin, we're looking to get up back above 69.9. We'll see if we get there, but overall, it's Friday, and we're having a great day. And Arnold, are we going to play that song?
Do it now.
Well, wait. I guess we'll have to end it. With our friend, Piano Melody.
Holy shit, Cal, that was awesome.
Guess who's back?
Representing them gangsters across the world. Hitting them corners with them Lolos, girl. Taking my time to perfect the beat. And I still got love for the schools. The D.R.E. ain't up on thing. Dr. Dre is the name, still ahead of the game. If you ain't up on things, there's so much trouble in the elders say this kind of hard being stuck. They all down for change. But a song, a house, and way keep on coming up a funky ass shit like every single day, man. I'll take another song for the G's and I make a new one as I play sleep with 2 in the morning and the party still jumping cause my mama ain't. My God, bitches in the living room getting it on. They ain't leaving till 6 in the morning, so we gonna smoke an ounce of this G's up, hoes down where your motherfuckers bounce. It is rolling down the street, smoking window, sipping on gin and juice. Lay back with my mind on my money and my mind. Rolling down the street, smoking window, sipping on gin and juice.
Way back.
With my mind on my money and my mind. Hip hop hooray! Ho! Hey! Ho! Hip hop hooray! Ho! Hey! Ho! You down with OPP? Yeah, you know me. You down with OPP? Yeah, you know me. You down with OPP? Yeah, you know me. Who down with OPP?
Yeah, you know me.
I said move, bitch.
Get out the way.
Get out the way, bitch. Get out the way. I said move, bitch. Get out the way. Get out the way, bitch. Get out the way. If I meant to make it off the top, I apologize a trillion times. Sorry, Miss Jackson. I am for real.
And 2.
Make it off the top. I apologize a trillion times. Sorry, Miss Jackson. I am for real. You better lose yourself in the meanings of the moment you're on it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot to not blow your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. No, horse thicker than your average pop or twist cabbage off instinct. Brother, don't shoot shit stink. My gators, my Detroit players, putting strimmer hooligan in Brooklyn. I don't drop on your head, ride biggie there, air. Pop up in cool, some days up on the rules. Never lose, never choose. Screw, boo, screws. Do something to us, don't got to us. Biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes the word is
Hypnotize me.
and not just like your flashy ways. This is what I broke in your
Hey, Biggie.
survey. A biggie, 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 can't you see? Sometimes the word just hypnotize me, and not just like your flashy ways. girl. Taking my time, get perfect the beat, and I still got love for the street. It's a
Trader Geo in the house. What's going on? The coolest pickle. He ain't no cucumber. What's going on? Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Much love. We hitting downtown. Let's go and do it, Geo. Me and you, man. Much love to you guys. Thank you guys for dropping in on the Friday stream. It's a little bit crazy. Not your Monday to Thursday kind of thing, but we always have lots of fun, man. God bless every single one of you. Happy Good Friday. Have a wonderful, wonderful, safe, and beautiful, blessed weekend. I will see you guys later. Much love. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto,